Welcome to Huawei's Microwave Top O&M Assistant video class. Hello everyone, I am Yang Zhou Chen from the GTS NTD team. Today I will talk about how to replace ODUs. Wear ESD gloves. For single-channel IF ports, slightly pull the switch lever outwards to the 0 position. For dual-channel IF boards, turn off the soft power switch of the ODU through the NE Explorer. Before removing the IF cable, first remove the waterproofing tape. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the ground cable of the ODU. Use a torque wrench to loosen the captive screws on the 4 sides of the ODU. Hold the ODU with one hand and use your other hand to remove the ODU from the hook of the antenna. Place the new ODU on the hook of the antenna. Align the captive screws of the ODU with the installation holes and partially tighten the screws. Use a torque wrench to completely tighten the captive screws. Align the IF cable connector with the IF port of the ODU and screw it tightly to the port. Use a Phillips screwdriver to affix the ground cable of the ODU. Starting from the bottom of the IF port, wrap it in one layer of PVC tape. Starting from the bottom of the IF port, wrap it in 3 layers of waterproofing tape. Starting from the bottom of the IF port, wrap it in 3 layers of PVC tape. Use cable ties to bind the tape. For single-channel IF boards, simply pull the switch lever outwards to the 1 position. For dual-channel IF boards, turn on the soft power switch of the ODU through the NE Explorer. That is all for this class. Thanks for your interest. Now after this class, you know how to replace ODUs.